What up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. We're riding the Surron today. Actually, it's a Segway x260, but for all I know, they're the same thing. So I always just call it a Surron. And basically, it's kind of like a loaner. This particular bike has about 720 miles now. Only, actually, I think that's considered low miles considering it's 2023 now. I think it top speed was about 46 miles per hour. Look at that nice sunset on the left side. Yeah, I went about 46 miles per hour earlier. Has a 19-inch wheels. And it's basically a loaner bike. $47, $48, $49, $50. Oh my. I guess it's a 50 mile per hour Surron. So basically the guy is borrowing my Super73 RX, the 60 volt, 38 amp battery that I custom made. And I'm borrowing his bike to see if we would both like a direct trade, no cash involved. So we're trading bikes for now. See if we are gonna we give each other like a week tryout to see if we really want to do a trade. And this bike wasn't perfect. I originally wanted to sell my bike for like $3,300, and I would have liked to trade with a Talaria XXX. With a 17-inch wheels, but I'll take what I can get. The cool thing is this thing already has like signal lights. I'll stop by and show you that here in a minute, take some pictures. But this isn't a perfect bike. It was super dirty. It's missing like the rear fender. It's missing some items. It needs some brake work. So it needed some tail light work. You could see that this brake is done for almost. So some things it needs work on. I already fixed the tail light that way, but the cool thing is, again, it has signal lights already, so it does that. And also on the left. So that part is cool. But that's kind of what it looks like. I'll try to test it off-road shortly here, kind of see how it handles, but so far so good. I would have liked the blue version, but I'm not going to be picky. I'm going to keep riding because we're about to lose light. We're going to go a little bit off-road. Let's take advantage. We have about 20 minutes till complete sundown. So let's get it. Alright, let's try to get some off-road fun here. Man, it would be really cool if they made a bike park here. I don't know why they don't. There's so much space for like ramps and what have you. Is that a ramp? I think I see a ramp. Man, it's been a while since I've ridden a Surron. Oh, that goes nowhere. Not a ramp. But that's the cool thing about the Surron. You pretty much just go on any terrain. got some nice, I think it's a Dunlop off-road tires for sure. It's the only EV in the collection that does not have pedals. Alright, let's fly. Very nice and squishy. I mean, to think about it, I think I got the better half of the trade, right? It's just my Super 73 only goes up to like 38 miles per hour, sometimes 40 miles per hour on a good day. And, Super 73 RX suspensions are not as great as these. I don't know where my lights are pointed at. I feel like, I don't know, it's not dark enough for me to see where my lights are pointed at. Okay, what is this? A little drop. And then, I've never been here. And then like a couch. Yep, never been here. And it's getting dark. Ooh, sandy in some spots. I'm so used to like pedaling that my legs are trying to pedal. This is kind of cool though. This is exactly what I, wanted to explore today. Some little ups and downs. Really test this bike. I've forgotten how actually light the Surron is. Or this Segway. I think it was around 120 pounds. My stealthbomber is like friggin' 150. It would have been cool if the trail continues, but it looks like it ends at that campsite. Strange. Oof. Get out of there. I only sold my Surron 3 years ago because there's just really no place to legally ride it. And, I just like to stay within the laws, if that makes sense. Look at this, just goes up anything. Love it. Okay, we're backtracking. Send it. I really wish I could find some kind of jump though. Comment below if you know some kind of ramp jumps around Santa Fe Dam. Such a big area. That would be scary and fun to jump the Surron. Yo, speak of the devil. There's like a ramp. As soon as I said it, snap of a finger, I found a ramp. But that's a pretty gnarly jump. And I'm still not 100% with my wrist, but let's go over it a little. Let's see how our bike reacts to this ramp right here. Oh man. I really don't know how to jump a dirt bike. I'm not at that level yet. But I don't even know how I got here. My confidence is not there, but let's try a little bit. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I do not know how to jump because I'm grabbing on the handlebar, and while I was in midair, it was ramping up. I don't know how to jump with a twist throttle. Yeah, I don't want to get hurt today. Not by myself out here. But that's cool. We found what we asked for. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little note on my memory around where these poles are. Just a little bit northwest of it is where that little ramp is. This one's easy to find on the Santa Fe Dam. Where these poles are. Alright, let's go towards the water. Getting dark. We're on the north side of the body of water. Slippery areas. Just plowing through everything. That's what the Surron's about. I'm considering the moto wheels eventually dropping it lower a little bit, maybe the 16s or 17s. But right now I'm just enjoying the off-road. Where it's meant to be. Going up Azusa. My horn button got stuck. Right underneath the freeway. Getting dark, getting sketchy. Alrighty guys, I had my bike fill. I went about 17 miles just in Santa Fe Dam. I'm gonna turn back home. That's gonna be in today's quick vlog. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the links in the description below for discounts on the Super73 arielrider or DIY bafang kit. This is E-Bike Adventures signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace. You.